In our group today, we have some Jeeps, a 4Runner, we have a Land Cruiser, and we are in the big white Ford, known as heavy metal, and also the big white whale, and just the big old ranch truck. We definitely need to narrow down a name for her, so maybe we will throw up a contest on Instagram soon and finally name her, because she needs a name. But anyways, we're headed up there right now. Come along with us on this journey and let's go do this.
Whoa.
All right, guys, so we've made it to the beginning of Heartbreak Ridge. We're all currently airing down. Let me see if I can show you guys. We have a nice little turnout today. It is supposed to be a little bit chilly. That's why I'm looking like State Puff Marshmallow Man. I got so many layers on. I think I'm gonna have to be shedding a few at the end of this. But Heartbreak Ridge is a relatively easy trail. I don't want to say it is easy, but there are some fun little places to go play around. There is one difficult part on the trail that gets a little rocky, and there's a tree, from what I remember, with a low limb that you have to be careful of not smacking. But there is a bypass to that, so you can get around it. So we're gonna have an awesome day today. Let's get this going.
Keep talking good, keep talking sweet, keep sugar rock, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Keep moving fast, keep moving slow, keep rhythm up, baby. You got me good, you got me sweet, got me on hold. Baby knows what I want, baby knows just how I'm feeling now. You got me locking, parking, stalking, rocking, freaking and freewheeling for a while. My baby knows.
What happened?
I wanted him to use his winch.
I was following a guy with 37. Oh, yeah, he did.
Oh, yeah, earlier.
Yeah, so one tried to make it over this hump here and he didn't make it. He got stuck. They just winched him back. Maybe he'll try it again. Whoa!
I get stuck twice.
Hey.
Oh, you made it.
There you go. Full passenger. She's stuck?
Oh my god. And we're dug in.
You can't go back? You won't go back? Alright guys, so you can see the Gladiator got stuck. I had to go get a battery for the camera. So I'm gonna run back up here and see if I can get it, them winching it. Dang batteries, I missed all the action. By the time I got battery, you guys are done already. Easy, huh? Land Cruiser walking everything out here today.
All right, guys. So it's really difficult to see on camera, but this hill is a very steep incline. And when you get up here, there's this gully right here that's making everybody kind of teeter-totter. Then you get up and you crest that, and guess what? You got some more teeter-tottery motion here. And this drop off doesn't look like much on camera, but it's really steep. This is a whole nother path you can take to get up here. So that's why a lot of people are struggling at the top.
Hey, just a quick side note, guys. None of this is necessary. This is all just us playing around up here. This is not part of the trail. This is all just extra credit here. So you don't have to do all this stuff, so don't get nervous if you're watching this video and you want to hit this trail. You guys can avoid this if you want to.
Alright guys, so for those of you that don't know, Nate's truck is a diesel and we're on leaf springs. And let me tell you, when you're mobbing down the dirt road, it is not an easy ride. Kind of brings me back to the Mojave Trail all over again. And right now it's super dusty because California hasn't seen any rain whatsoever. So yeah, I'm having flashbacks, definitely. What about you, Nate?
Yeah, it's a little bouncy in this thing. It's all right.
I can't even.
We're out here having a good time.
The camera's just like da 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 da. I hope I don't make you guys sick, but all right, let's continue the adventure. Alright guys, as you can probably tell, the trail is kind of narrow, and when you're in a full-size rig, it gets a little tricky. Just keep that in mind when you're out on these trails. Yeah. Alright guys, so we've reached the most difficult part of the trail that you cannot bypass. So it is a good little rock garden. Let me show you.
Look, you made it.
Alright guys, so after that rock garden, you have a choice. There are two routes you can take. This one right here is going to be your easy line. The one everyone is gathered around right now is going to be your more difficult line. Let me show you what you're working with. Right now it's pretty dug out from everybody enjoying it this summer and being locked down because of COVID.
Got up to that boulder quick. It was that boulder. Yeah. You got up quick. If I would have done what I did in the second run, I would have got to it. Let's let Max try it and then
Okay, so one of the easiest ways it used to be was to go near and close to this tree, but you have to watch it because you're going to start to teeter and you're going to teeter into that tree.
that's the tree. Hey, driver. Driver, keep going. Not too much, right there. Turn this way a little bit.
right, guys, you might remember Max from our shakedown run. He's a young driver and he did pretty freaking awesome.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, stop.
Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit, and you're gonna go driver when you come back up. All right, here you go. You want that back tire on this big rock over here. More.
Back up.
You gotta go more.
Hard driver.
Right there.
All the way.
Hard driver. All right, you're gonna climb on that back
He's gonna start to climb.
Slide off, Marcus. You gotta get a little further over.
Right there.
Oh, wait.
Now driver all the way.
Hard.
Climb that mountain.
Climb that mountain, bro.
There you go, now cut it in.
Now come my way. Hard.
It's just your bumper.
Keep going. You're good. All right, big smoke. You're good. Go ahead. Keep going.
Driver.
Good. You want to go this way or this way? Hard.
Listen to your woman.
To go for filming, or to have a little something to do.
You're good. Now you got to stay more drunk. Go back a little. Go past.
Wait, me.
Come on, Nick. Alright, come on. That big rock right in front of you. You have a big ass rock right over you.
Okay, forward.
Passenger. Back up, passenger.
Forward. This way. Faster.
Go back a little bit. Bump it. You're on your axle back there. Hey, you're gonna have to back up to get out of that big ass rock right there. So back up a little more. No, come back. Yeah, you got it right there. Hey, go straight up in there though. Straight out now. Straight out. Get it. You got a big ass boulder on this side.
I'm really difficult on that back rock when it
Faster.
Thank you for not breaking a second vehicle this week. I appreciate it. Alright guys, I also forgot to mention we are doing Pontiac Sluice today. There's an old Pontiac, I don't even know how the heck they got it up here, but there's an old Pontiac remains that are up here that are fun to stop and see. We are going a little bit further down. I heard there's a memorial that we haven't seen yet, so we're gonna go down and go check that out. But this trail is tight for a full-size rig, so we are trying it out to see if we make it. We'll let you know.
We'll make it.
It's kind of hairy because
Tell me what we're having.
we're having some ponche because up here is really cold, so it's optional whoever wants Don Julio or whoever doesn't want it, but I think everybody should get some.
Thank you. I'm completely down and ready to try.
Alright guys, so there's a mine shaft up here too, so just watch your step when you're walking around up here. Alright guys, so we made it up here to the top of Pontiac Sluice, and there's a memorial up here to Major Allen Rowe, U.S. Marine Corps. Just want to thank him for his service and everything he gave for us, and that's the reason we have the freedom we do have. So there's a box here, you can put some stuff in, drop some stuff off, leave something. We threw a couple stickers in there, so it's definitely extra credit line to make it up here, but if you make it up here, it's worth it.
Alright guys, so we had just had a little break for lunch. We are getting back on the trail. We are losing some daylight. It's that time of year, and we're kind of behind a mountain right now, so it's getting a little dark. So we're starting our descent. We're going back down.
Full bridge.
Alright guys, so on this trail, it is really tight on Pontiac Sluice. For a full-size rig, you're gonna struggle a little bit. If you don't want pinstripes, do not take this route. We did lose one of our handles on a tree. I don't know if you can see it. Keep sticking my arms out, and I'm almost being taken off by trees. But yeah, so if you can do it in a full-size rig, just if you cherish your paint job, I do not recommend it.
Yeah, we are touching on both sides for sure.
Oh yeah. Hello, mirror. Nice to see you. Like I said, it's a tight fit for a full-size rig. I have unfolded that mirror like 4 times now. So just be forewarned, a full size can make it, so you're not making it without leaving some memories on your paint job. Been forewarned. Alright, my fellow dirt road travelers. Well, it just got way too dark on the trail and the GoPros aren't set up to really film at night, so the footage got really bad. So we're gonna do our outro from home. That was Heartbreak Ridge in a full-size rig. It was definitely pretty tight on that trail for a full-size rig. We definitely have some memories, some pinstripes, some stories to tell on that one. It's definitely doable. If you cherish your paint job, like I said, it's probably not the trail for you in a full-size rig.
Yeah, keep in mind, we did it in an F350 long bed, 4-door.
About as big as you can get.
With the exception of not having a dually, it's about as big as you can get.
Yeah, and we made it through. We did pretty good. We only lost one handle, but those handles were sun rotten anyways, so we'll have to replace those at some point in time. But you guys know the drill. We're tired, hungry, and dirty. And that's the end of this dirt road journey. Bye, guys.